Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm currently washing my hair right now, and I'll probably do a voiceover telling you guys about myself, what my channel will be about, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so right now I am about to part my hair into 4 sections. And then I'll start to detangle it. But yeah, so mostly my channel will really be about like beauty. Like, I like to do my makeup, and I like to dye my hair, as you can see, as well. So yeah, I'll definitely do a few videos about skincare, makeup, and hair care and all that good stuff. And I don't actually know what hair type I have either, but I'll look forward to finding out the information so I can let you guys know. And what will help you if you have the same hair type as mine. For now, I'm using Suave shampoo and conditioner because they actually have a clarifying shampoo and conditioner, which is good for my hair because my hair is dry. And everything like that. So yeah, as you see, I started trying to blow dry my hair. The comb on the blow dryer kind of was frustrating me. Oh, and I forgot to get my heat protectant. So yeah. And also feel free to comment and give me tips or what you would like to see from my channel and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just blow drying my hair. As you can see, I'm going through the struggle. My hair is very thick, and I recently had my friend try to trim it for me, so that's why it kind of looks pretty blunt cut. Now on to the next section to detangle and blow dry. Some parts of my hair is lighter because I gave myself highlights before I did this color. So yeah. Yep, on to the third section. I usually do both back sections first, but I don't know. I guess today I felt like doing something different. Every time I detangle my hair, I always try to start from the bottom and then go to the top. It seems like the best solution for detangling hair. I've watched like YouTube videos and stuff like that, and a lot of people seem to say that works for them, and it also now works for me. Sometimes I think I have too much hair, but this is just the start because I plan to grow my hair out way longer. I'll tell you, those naps be so real. I love this hair color, but I plan on dyeing my hair again though, because it's something with me and like the new growth Like, my hair is such a dark color that to me it just looks ridiculous with my dark roots, and the light color, it just doesn't go well together for me. There's so much hair. I swear my best friend and I have the same hair length, but her hair is thinner than mine, and she complains about it all the time, and I'm like, you do not want to have thick hair, because I go through the struggle. So yeah, I'm about to put my hair in a bun. Well, my version of a messy bun. Because, especially like after I wash my hair, I don't like to put products on it. I like to keep my hair as fresh as possible. But yeah, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and feel free to subscribe. Bye. Have a great day.